Assam Rifles our Chenmoho Students Union Monpara Change for the Better program ekta ayojon korise. Etu program the team defeating drugs and winning at life bitor luise. Etu event sportsmanship, educational initiatives our cultural celebrations promise korise.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.